Alright guys, Kylo found in this one.
Go away from the tree. It flips around.
Like this?
Yeah.
That way?
Go further into the field.
Okay?
Yeah, throw it.
Ah!
Fucking told you, damn it! Oh!
God!
What the heck? Wait, how does it stop?
I don't know! I don't know either!
It's stuck in the wind! Okay, there it goes! Alright.
Go.
Gotta go.
You go. Ow! Ah! Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh shit! Come on! Ah! Okay, it's good. Even down. Alright, take two. And then no battery. It is battery. Let's go. Ah, shit! Kylo! Oh no no no! You're stuck! I got stuck! Again! Kylo! Alright, take three. Alright. Oh, good. Come on. Oh! Where is it? Can I even... Where is it? Oh, there. Oh, it's not going down. Oh, no. Wrong choice.
Oh, it just glides down, right?
Oh, shit. Ah! Oh, no. Holy shit. It's not coming down at all. It's almost 30 seconds already. Oh, no. What the... Okay. It's not coming down. It's not coming down. She lost it. Where is it? She lost it. I think she lost it. I think she lost it, guys. It's all the way there. It's ridiculous. God, I didn't really play today, guys. Well, yeah, I just didn't play. I'm playing with the lane now. There you go. Body update. Abs. No more abs yet. I don't know if you can see it. There. Nah, no more. I just eat a lot. Oh damn, Kala really went all the way there. I said this is like part 5, part 4, I don't know which one. But Kyla found the plane again. She found him. Oh yeah, you found it? Where was it? What the You walk all the way there? Are you run? My bad. That's just it then. I can take it home.
Side of it, like 3 different times,
Oh no.
and then the light would blink.
And then you can see.
That one. Kept on running.
Okay, it's good. Let's go home. Bye, everyone. Good night.
Finisher. I found it on Kaimana Beach.
I say good night.
That's how far this is. Good night, everyone.
Shoots. Oh,
Come here.
wait. Let me put on like one. Come on. There. One more back. Alrighty,
Chase
guys.
this thing to Kaimana Beach.
Whatever this is. Good night, everyone.
Good night.